What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test. This is a really cool survival kit in this can. How cool is that? This is completely sealed. It also has a Ziploc bag on top of it, but once you open it you can put the cover back on. This one is 39 something 99, so pretty much $40 survival kit in one of those kind of a tuna can. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know in comments below if I should do unboxing of a $50 one, $49.99, but might as well call it $50 survival kit. It is much bigger, yeah, double the size, but only $10 difference. What's the difference about them? We'll find out. But the best part about this thing, they are very unique. I got it on eBay, so one of a kind for sure. Deer Slayer survival kit. I wonder what is gonna be inside. I have no idea. It's like a mystery survival kit in a tin can. Contains 65 plus items, and there explains what kind, but I don't want to read about it. I'd rather see. Oh yeah, I love opening this kind of unique items. Wow, so cool. There's instruction. Look how well it's all packed. I love it. Okay, we got right here little tiny pencil with the eraser. Nice. What is this? Advil, 2 tablets. Little reflective plastic with the wire. I think it's for the hook. They explain it how to set it up right here. Okay, I can see a whistle. Boom, very nice. So far very cheap items. Little duct tape roll. Looks like a compass, plastic. What I do not like about these compasses, half the time they don't work. You just have to wait till it stabilizes or something. There you go, you gotta set it on a flat surface. Okay, this one is actually works. Looks like it's pointing the same direction. Once you set it on a table, okay, that's cool. But still, very cheap one. Anyways, let's see what else we have here. Instant Starbucks coffee. I guess I can use the can to boil the water inside of it. Good idea. What is this? Another, some kind of tape. That's cool. We have 2 pieces of tape. There you go. I like that they didn't put some cheap matches. This is only 4 of them, but still very good quality survival UCO matches. I like that. Box cutter, highly sealed. I don't blame him because this is very sharp. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Plastic bags. 4-pack fire starter, probably cotton and petroleum jelly. Little flashlight with rubber bands. Nothing epic, but still cool. There's more peels stuck to the side of there. But let me open up this thing right here. Looks like this is just emergency blanket with the rope tied up together. That's it. I don't think there's anything inside of it. Okay. What else we got here? No way, is that a level? This is a tiny level. No, that's a tiny glow stick. Anyways, let's see what else we got. Ooh, look at that, a tiny knife, couple of nails, but this is a Gerber knife. We keep going and we're finding cooler stuff. This is right here a sewing kit, 2 needles, big and small. Okay, P38, is it P38? Yep, P38. Can opener. Very nice, but I don't know if you can find cans. Kinda useless unless you will have a bunch of cans to eat. Plus, if you have a knife, you can do that with a knife instead. A swivel for fishing or whatever you call it. A wire. Fishing hook with weights and easy put on a string. Nice. Couple zip ties. There you go. And This side here is a saw wire. You put it on a stick and you cut it. I have put to the test 3-4 years ago. This thing, it's alright, it's pretty cool. You do it like that, you see, bow saw, and you set this up. Looks like we got right here a pretty big file. Yep, what we got here: triple antibiotic ointment, another foil sticker, little green wire right here, a mirror, I guess you can make a signal and stuff, couple band-aids, and what is this? Aluminum foil. There's a lot of uses with aluminum foil. Very nice. And there's another wire right here. And of course the can to boil water in, cook stuff. In conclusion, the funny part is it says Deer Slayer, and I thought maybe there's like some kind of deer collar inside there or something about the deer. Nothing to do with deer, just a name. Maybe just a name of a company. But yeah, was it worth $40? Probably not. There's a lot of cheap dingy donkeys. Probably the knife and the matches is the coolest part. Maybe knife is like what, $10-12 for matches. Again, it's very cheap items. So let me know in comments below. Maybe it should have been 20 bucks, then it probably would be worth it just because it's a cool product. But anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.